big chungus. He's a big chunky boy, such a big one, yes. We are so overjoyed to have a big chunky boy, a big and wonderful chungus such as he, oh such as he. He's a big